Silver against US dollar this week has formed a strong bullish breakout, and we can see the price formed a bullish breakout about 28.68, which has been continued to rise in value, reaching this next resistance level around 29, and then price reached 31.44. This is a strong bullish candle formed on a Friday. Weekly time frame shows us a pretty strong move, a pretty strong candle that has took from 28.40 up to 31.44. A pretty strong bullish strength and also bullish breakouts happen on the market. Monthly time frame shows us again pretty strong bullish candle, which means a strong price movement on the market, where the bulls have took the price all over the strong resistance level at 28.40, which is indicating there is no sellers currently on the market. What could we make as a conclusion is that the price is targeting at least around 32, which we have seen, which is also a very important resistance level. But we'll see what happens around this area. But for now, I can make a conclusion that currently on the monthly time frame and also on the silver against US dollar, there is no sellers pointing to push the price down. So I'm expecting for the further on all time frames for the price to continue to rise in value. This is something that I can see on the market, and we'll see what happens. The next where I'm expecting is around 32, which is the next resistance line. So if the price returns back down below this one, which means 29.55, this will be a small indication for the price that could return all the way back down to 28.68, which is the first support level for the price, which is also visible here. 28.40, a very important, currently acting as a support and strong pretty resistance line in the past. So for now, for the silver, I do not have too much information except it is expected that the price will continue to rise in value. So if something happens on the market, I will share that inside the Telegram group with traders. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.